iZigg mobile training video series. Today we're going to be talking about recurring messages. So recurring messages are when you have a message that you'd like to schedule to go out at certain days of the week, maybe every Monday at 3 o'clock, you have a lunch or a dinner special that you want to promote, or perhaps it's an internal sales meeting that you have once a month or every other week at the same time. So let's go ahead and get started by logging into your iZigg mobile account. Now, as you know, when you send messages, you can do an easy quick message by using the lightning bolt quick message icon in the upper right-hand corner. However, for this, we're going to take it the long way. So we want to go directly to send messages. And this is where we're going to give our description. Remember that this is going to be for your eyes only. So let's just say Tuesday lunch special. So every Tuesday you have a lunch special you're trying to get out. I'm going to select SMS. And then here under my message type is where I'm going to alter slightly and select automated recurring messages. So from here, I am then going to look at my send time and select the intervals. So here I would like it to be once a week, and I would like it to be every Tuesday. And then I can use my calendar setting to change the time. Since it's a lunch special, I want this to maybe go out at 10:45 a.m. So once I've completed that screen, I'm going to go ahead and compose my message. And as you know, from here, it's pretty much the same and pretty easy. So maybe it's something like, don't miss our Tuesday lunch special, $30 for a family meal, including drink. You can add a URL to go to your menu. You can add a picture if you had a picture of the meal. Once you've decided that your message is where you want it, you want to go ahead and select your recipients. So you can go ahead and select all your lists, or you can select just one or two. So I'm going to go ahead and just select maybe a list that I have here that only has a couple people in it. So I'm going to go ahead and move my list over, and then I'm going to preview and send. So from here, I know that I'm going to send this message, what it is, where it's going to sit in the scheduler, and what it looks like. Of course, agreeing to terms. And I'm going to go ahead and hit send automated message. Now, this is only going to send it to the scheduler, meaning that it will then sit in the scheduler and it will go out the exact time and date that you have scheduled. Now, in order to view your automated message, it's going to be different than your recent messages. So if you select the flyouts and you can see where you have recent messages, this is your automated messages. So once you have went ahead and programmed your message in, all of your automated messages will reside in the automated message tab. From here, you can go in and edit that message if you would like to. So let's say that you had a different special or a different price or a different link to maybe a webinar. You can change this whenever you would like to beforehand. It will grab whoever is in the associated list before this message sends. So if you had people that were opting in throughout the week, they will still receive this message. So here you can just set it and forget it. So please make sure that you look at our YouTube channel and the tutorial videos inside of your iZigg platform. Thank you so much.